3 फेब को रिलीज़ हो रही है इंडियन और चाइनीज़ कोलैबोरेशन कंग फू योगा, जिसकी स्टार कास्ट अभी मेरे साथ है. सो वेलकम इन आवर बॉलीवुड स्पाई.
Thank you so much for
having
us
on Bollywood Spy.
on Bollywood Spy.
Yeah.
Good thing about him was he started with the date that Kung Fu Yoga is releasing on 3rd of Feb.
3rd
ये
Feb.
भूल नहीं रहे. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा बोला आपने. But yeah, it's a great journey, and two gorgeous girls in the film, and Jackie Chan, and lots of action, stunts. I think that's what people want to see, and we are all set to show them on 3rd of February when the film comes to the theatres, and just go and watch the action and have fun.
Thank you for having me on Bollywood Spy. Arre!
Okay, so my first question is कि Indian film आपने की है, international project किया, how different it is, and technique wise and acting wise and everything, how difficult you find it?
I mean, it's slightly different, not that much. At the end of the day, I think our biggest problem was the language only, because ultimately you're going to a different country which speaks a completely different language, So it was a little tough in the beginning, but then we found a way to communicate, and all three of us helped each other. I think Sonu really took care of us more than anything else, and Disha and I were just like, what all did we do there? I think we took Jackie's bike, we took something funny with some other instrument, and then Sonu was just sitting there and watching us ki, bhai, kuch tang wang mat tod, what's gonna happen? But yeah, he really took care of us. He gave us food, especially me being a vegetarian. So Sonu has this lovely tunki of dal and rajma seeds and chana that he brought. And then Disha would just eat peanuts all day.
Because there was nothing to eat for us initially, because when we went and there was all this, so I also eat chicken only, and in China it's very difficult to also even find
Pork and beef is their staple diet.
Yeah, so it was so difficult for us to actually eat food. So I was living on peanuts, and he had his whole stock of ready to eat dal, rajma, chawal, everything.
Because I had experienced first schedule in China when I was not prepared for it, and I couldn't find anything. And in the next schedule, when I came back to China, I said, I have to get my food, and one full suitcase of food I got. I always say that, entertainment has no language, whether it's a Chinese movie, English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, any film you go. People connect with anything which is entertaining, and it's not different. Yeah, the technicians are different. The style of working is different, but the aim is to make a good film. And I remember the action is definitely different. It's very quick. It's very it has got a rhythm. You have to remember dup 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 dup. You have to remember like that. So but in Bollywood, I would say Bollywood has been our learning ground, where we actually learned, and today we got to do this film only because they had seen our work in Bollywood. But every film is a learning ground, and every director, every producer, every co-actor is like a teacher who gives you a few tips, and you get to learn something. But yeah, the studios are huge. It's a huge platform, international exposure when you do such big films. So fingers crossed for all of us that a few more eyeballs will see our good work, and maybe Kung Fu Yoga 2, Kung Fu Yoga 3. We'll never know.
Wow. What about you?
It's been difficult, but I think it's not so different from India. I only feel like the style of working, or maybe the schedule wise, it's slightly different, but overall cinema is same everywhere in the world. Even you go south, or I've done a south film, or you talk about Bollywood or Hollywood or Chinese cinema, it's similar. Just the action part was a little difficult for us, because we have never done this kind of action, it's kung fu. So end of the day it was difficult, but we had an amazing team to really take care of us, and we all enjoyed, because we all were really, really excited to do action. We didn't feel the pain while doing certain kind of things or while training, so we really had fun.
Okay. My next question is regarding Jackie sir. So Jackie sir का mood कैसा रहता है set में, और मतलब is he furious, or is he easy going and comedy and something like that?
He is a kid on set. He's a kid. He'll just make everyone laugh, he'll crack jokes. But yeah, when it comes to his work, he's very serious. That is how you're supposed to be, He's serious about his work, he's serious about filming. But otherwise, off camera, he's just an amazing person, and he loves to feed everyone. He would go get food, ice cream, chocolate for everyone. and he'll just have fun. We'll just practice some kung fu. We all will dance, you know, like off camera. We're learning something, learning Bollywood steps, or you know, doing something or the other, playing games. So he's very chilled out and very loving person.
Which song of Bollywood?
Tu meri, tu meri, re. It was the easiest to learn. Only 2 words. Tu meri.
About Jackie Chan? Yeah, the most humble guy you'll come across on the sets, who will always be feeding others, getting food for everyone. And you know, he had this huge ice cream stall kind of a thing. You know, on our sets, you know, you can come eat different flavors. Every day they used to refill it with different flavors, and people used to enjoy ice creams. Everyone, people always make him happy. You know, he wants to see everyone enjoying, having fun. I remember when he came for the promotions without even having a single bite. You know, straight from the airport till evening, he was just promoting his film. He said, "Don't worry about my food. We have to give our best." So I think that's a passion for your work that makes him what he is today.
So he was a lot of fun on set. Like Disha said, he's literally like a child. He would come behind me all the time and he would like, suddenly scare me, you know, like be like, huh, like that. And I'm like, oh my God, what is going on? But he's a very caring person. That's one thing you really learn. And as Sonu also said, he just wants to see everybody happy and everybody having a good time on set and not really treating it like work. You know, like it's something that, see, all of us love doing it. It's a very different job and it's a very hard job. And it's something you really need to love and be passionate about to really do well. And you can see that everybody on set, all of us on set, including Jackie, have that passion and are just happy to be there and be working. So at the end of the day, you just learn patience and you learn how to be a better human being from him.
So my next question is, tell us about your character, thoda sa detail mein.
So she's a lot like me. She's very cheeky, she's very mischievous, and they're both basically strong girls, like these characters, and they're very close to each other, as you'll find out in the movie. And they're supposed to be very pretty, so that's also why we got chosen. I know. Thank you, but
You know, my character's name is Rendall, and it's a treasure hunt. It's a chase. You know, I feel my ancestors actually, you know, own that treasure, and you know, everyone is running behind it, and how we all come to a situation, and I think that's the climax. You have to watch the film for that. But like I said, it's a journey of all the characters. Lots of ups and downs, lots of action, lots of comedy, and that's a film Kung Fu Yoga is. But the way it's been narrated by the director, I think that makes it so special.
So I'm playing Ashmita. I'm an Indian princess and also an archaeologist. So basically, what Sonu said, that we all have our own journey, and so I'm from a different family, he's from a different family, and I can't reveal much, right? But we all are looking for the treasure, and Amira is playing my younger sister. So so the good thing about my character that I really like, that it's not just about being pretty or just being a princess, it's about being strong. So especially all the characters in the film, and you would see all the girls fighting so well and as good as boys. So it's not like that we have a special choreography only meant for girls and easier. We are completely like on with fight, and we are kicking and punching and doing whatever you can imagine. Yeah, so I hope when like Indian girls or like whomsoever, when they watch it, they'll get inspired to start, you know, training and doing something for self-defense. And you know, girls can also fight, and as good as boys, maybe better sometimes.
Who's the biggest prankster on set?
No, they're all very good girls. No pranks. You know, very hardworking, devoted. In the morning used to
But being
report
a
it for the.
prankster doesn't mean that you're not hardworking. It's just someone having fun, like someone who's more like.
No, बिल्कुल नहीं दे बहुत सीधे लोग हैं एकदम.
3rd of Feb को जरूर देखिए Kung Fu Yoga, and I really want you to say this same thing.
Please go and watch Kung Fu Yoga, releasing on 3rd Feb. 3rd Feb.
Yeah, 3rd Feb is the date when action kicks in the theatres. Just go and watch it and enjoy.
yes, please watch it on the 3rd of February, Kung Fu Yoga.
Hi, I'm Disha Patni, and you're watching me exclusively on Bollywood Spy.
Hi, this is Sonu Sood, and you're watching me exclusively on Bollywood Spy.
Hi guys, I'm Amira Dastoor and you're watching me exclusively on Bollywood.